Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about atomic mass. You already know that atomic mass of an element is actually the total number of protons and neutrons present in any atom. But experimentally determining the atomic mass of any element, there has to be some other definition. So, in order to know the definition of atomic mass, carbon-12 atom is taken as reference as it is the most abundant element on earth. So this is taken as standard. Carbon-12 has been assigned an atomic mass of exactly 12 as it has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Now, atomic mass depends upon this mass of carbon. Unit for measuring atomic mass is AMU or U. AMU stands for atomic mass unit and U stands for unified atomic mass, which is the universal atomic mass. And atomic mass unit is actually 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom. So the standard which is taken, that is 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom, and with this mass only the mass of other elements are compared, and it has been proved always correct. So we can say one atomic mass or one unified mass, that is equal to 1/12 the mass of carbon-12 atom. The atomic mass of any element is the relative mass of its atom compared to the mass of one carbon-12 atom. You will better understand with the following example. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24 AMU or 24 U, which indicates that one atom of magnesium is 24 times heavier than 1/12 of a carbon atom. So any element, if we know the atomic mass, then we will compare its mass with 1/12 of carbon atom, and whatever is the relative atomic mass, that will be considered its atomic mass. Now we can see atomic mass of some of the common elements given here. These are hydrogen 1U, carbon 12U, nitrogen has 14U, like that. And then other elements, common elements, the atomic mass have been mentioned here. You must learn it nicely. That's all for today. Thank you.